You're watching KSL 5 News.
The deaths of two Arizona women in Grand County over Labor Day weekend last year has resulted in a lawsuit alleging the off-highway vehicle they were in was unsafe. News Specialist Sam Penrod spoke with the Salt Lake attorney who filed the suit. Sam?
This lawsuit alleges that the maker of the off-highway vehicle, Polaris, was negligent in the design. However, the company says the two women were operating the vehicle in an expert riding area. Debbie Swan and Destiny Dixon were both in the Polaris Ranger when it tipped on its side and then caught fire.
Law enforcement who investigated, they determined that the gas cap was impacted when it turned over, and that broke it off or caused it to come off, and that the fuel then spilled out of the gas tank.
The Salt Lake law firm filing the suit says a total of 3 people have died in Utah over the past 2 years due to fires in Polaris off-highway vehicles, including Swan and Dixon on September 2nd.
Some friends that they were with ran to them, but right before they could get there, it burst into flames, and there was just nothing they could do. Everybody that Destiny and Debbie were with had to just watch them burn to death.
Polaris responded to the lawsuit with a statement which reads in part, "Our investigation and all available information confirms that the accident was not caused by any defect. The 2010 Ranger complies with all applicable standards and is safely designed for its intended use. The accident in this case took place in an area commonly referred to as tip-over challenge, a highly technical and extreme riding area." However, Polaris has issued 300,000 recalls on their off-road vehicles, including one just a month ago for 19,000 ATVs due to a fire hazard.
Make sure that you know if there's a recall for your vehicle. And if there is a recall, don't ride it until you get it taken into the dealer and make sure that it's fixed and fixed correctly.
Still, Olson says he has reports from owners who had parts replaced as part of a recall who still experienced a fire. The plaintiffs are seeking unspecified damages. The case will be litigated in Minnesota, the headquarters of Polaris. Sam Penrod, KSL 5 News, Salt Lake City.
Sam, thank you.